Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Cloudflare DNS and SSL for your no-code app domain, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Cloudflare account. Navigate to the dashboard and select the domain you want to restore DNS and SSL for. Go to the DNS section on the left sidebar. Review your existing DNS records. Check for any missing records that are essential for your no-code app. If you find missing records, click Add Record to input the required information. Ensure that your record type is appropriate, whether it's a name or other types. Enter the desired name for the record, such as www or @ Input the IP address or target URL as needed. Toggle the Cloudflare proxy status to either enabled or disabled based on your requirements. Save the changes after adding or modifying any records. Next, navigate to the SSL/TLS section in the dashboard. Check your SSL/TLS encryption mode, which should match your server settings. For most no-code apps, the full or flexible mode is recommended. Make sure to enable Always Use HTTPS for secure connections. Proceed to the Edge Certificates subsection within SSL/TLS. Confirm that Universal SSL is enabled. If it is not enabled, toggle the switch to activate it. Review any existing certificates to determine if they are active and valid. To generate a new certificate, click the Create Certificate button. Follow the prompts to complete the certificate creation process. Next, navigate to the firewall settings to ensure no restrictive rules are active. Check for any settings that might block access to your no-code app. If necessary, adjust the firewall rules to allow traffic to your domain. Finally, wait for the changes to propagate, which may take several minutes. Test your domain by entering it in a web browser. Verify that both DNS records and SSL are functioning correctly. If everything looks good, your setup is now complete. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.